Hey there, sushi lovers. Welcome back to my channel, flavorsalt.com. Today, we're diving into the world of sushi, but not your ordinary sushi. We're making crispy rice sushi. Yep, that's right. Think of a delightful, crunchy twist on traditional sushi that is just too delicious to resist. So, let's roll. Well, not literally yet. First, we've got some prep to do. Here's what you'll need. Alright, first things first, let's cook our sushi rice. Rinse it under cold water until the water runs clear. This helps get rid of excess starch, making it super sticky and perfect for sushi. Once rinsed, let it drain for about 30 minutes. Now, throw that rice into a pot with 3 cups of water and bring it to a boil. Once boiling, lower the heat to a simmer, cover it up, and let it cook for about 20 minutes. While that's working its magic, let's whip up our sushi vinegar. Take a bowl and combine your rice vinegar, sugar, and salt. Mix it well. Okay, so once your rice is done cooking, transfer it to a large bowl. Slowly drizzle in your sushi vinegar while gently folding the rice. Don't mash it. We want it fluffy and sticky. Now that we have our perfect sushi rice, it's time to let it cool to room temperature. This is key because we don't want to steam our nori later on. Alright, let's get assembling. Spread a thin layer of rice over the nori, leaving about an inch at the top. Now, layer your fillings. I'm going for avocado on one side, and spicy tuna on the other. And don't overload too much filling, and you'll have a hot mess on your hands. Alright, here comes the fun part. Rolling. Starting from the bottom, roll it away from you while gently pressing the fillings inside. Tuck, roll, and give it a little squeeze as you go. Let's take a moment to appreciate how gorgeous these rolls look. Now, for that crispy magic, heat up a pan with about an inch of vegetable oil. Once it's hot, carefully place your sushi rolls in. Fry for about 30 seconds on each side, until golden and crispy. You can cut them into bite-sized pieces, using a serrated knife. Let's plate them up. You've got to represent with soy sauce, for dipping never hurt anyone. Guys, the crunch combined with the fresh fillings is absolutely divine. If you make this at home, your taste buds will thank you, and your friends will be so impressed. So, that's it. Crispy rice sushi for the win. If you enjoyed this recipe, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tasty adventures, and don't forget to comment below with your favorite sushi fillings. Until next time, happy cooking. Bye.